Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Petal, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register for Petal, start by opening your web browser. Type in the Petal official website URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the sign up or get started button. Click on that button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information, starting with your first and last name. Next, enter your email address. Create a strong password and confirm it in the provided field. After entering your credentials, check for any age requirements. If you meet the criteria, you may need to provide additional information. This might include your address and phone number. Complete the necessary fields with accurate information. Once all the details are filled out, review your inputs for any errors. Look for a checkbox regarding the terms and conditions. Check that box to indicate your agreement. Then, locate the Submit or Create Account button. Click on it to proceed with your registration. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open that email and click on the verification link. This step will finalize your account creation. Now, return to the Petal website and log in using your credentials. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.